Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Snapchat. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a shortcut on Snapchat. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the Snapchat app and take a snap. When done, tap Send To at the bottom right corner. Tap the search bar at the top. Then tap Create Shortcut. Now choose the emoji for your shortcut. And add your friends. Then tap Create Shortcut. You can repeat the process and create up to 10 shortcuts. As you can see, your shortcut appears at the top as the emoji you selected. When you tap the emoji, the list of friends that you selected appears. Now it is easier to send snaps to your friends. And that's how you make a shortcut on Snapchat. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.